Hi, I'm Andrew November, disability attorney, and you're watching Andrew's Answers. The title of this video is You Better Know Your Employment Status, and you better know your employment status, because if you don't, you are going to be in for a big surprise when you go to file your long-term disability application. And you're probably wondering, what is my employment status? Well, that can simply mean, are you an active employee? Every disability policy I've seen has a provision where they define active employment. And in almost all policies, that's defined as an individual working at least 30 hours per week, which is somewhere between part-time and full-time work. That comes into play for individuals who file their disability, because most policies ask, was the individual actively employed just prior to filing for disability? And if you weren't, you might not even be covered. So that we're not talking about getting a denial where the insurance company is saying you're not disabled. They're just saying you're not even an insured person. You don't even have long-term disability insurance because you were not actively employed. When is this going to be a problem? I find that this is the biggest problem for individuals who are slowly decreasing their work. Maybe they have a great employer that says, okay, why don't you just come in a few less hours a day? Let's see how that works out for you. That's great, and that's a great employer. However, if you decrease your hours lower than the part-time or the active employment threshold, then you're going to have a big problem. So you may want to look at your policy before you start decreasing hours, and unfortunately, it may be in your interest, or it may be your only option, to file for disability before decreasing your hours. So you better know your employment status. Thank you for watching.